Walang problema.
Okay, so let's start again. Mataba and payat. Okay, can you say it again? Mataba at payat.
Mataba at payat.
Okay,
I know
so
the word mataba already, and payat is new for me.
okay, payat is thin. So can you make a sentence using the word mataba?
Okay. Siya ay mataba babae.
Siya ay mataba na babae. Okay, you should put a word na to make the sentence correct. Okay, siya ay mataba na babae.
Yeah, like in English, it's like it doesn't make any sense. Like na, sa, si, ba.
Yes,
kind of
exactly.
But in Tagalog, you have to complete the sentence. You have to use them, even though it doesn't make any sense in English.
Yes, that's true. Okay, next, how about payat? Can you make a simple sentence?
Okay. Ako ay payat.
Yeah, okay, very good. That is very simple. Ako ay payat. So I am thin in English. Very good. Okay. Okay, next, synonym, antonyms word or magkasalungat na salita ay long, long and short. I believe you know this already.
Long is
short is okay, long is mahaba. Short is
also malaki. Malaki is large, right? Large,
okay,
right?
Malaki is large. Okay, very good. Malaki is large, while the long is what we called yes, mahaba. And the short is okay, short is this. It's maikli. Say maikli.
What? Maikli?
Maikli. Okay, just wait. Sorry. Okay, I have wrong tools. Okay, maikli.
Maikli. Maikli.
Yeah. That
Can
is.
You state, please, because otherwise it will be confused.
Okay, that is. Okay, that is short.
The wrong one. Can you? Okay. Because it may cause confusion otherwise later.
Okay, very good. So can you make a simple sentence using the word mahaba?
Mahaba. Ito mahaba.
Mahaba ang?
Mahaba ang ito?
Ito ay mahaba. Okay. So this sentence is okay, ito ay mahaba. So this sentence is not probably complete sentence. It's just like a phrase because you are not just only yes, because you are not stating an object. So can you describe?
How to say my?
My, ako?
Ako, kama, mahaba. Ako, kama, ay mahaba.
Your bed? Oh, ang aking kama ay mahaba. Okay. Bed is kama.
Opo. Okay.
Okay, say it again.
Aking?
Okay. Ang aking kama.
Aking is mine?
Yes, aking is mine.
Yeah, this word always I've seen on Duolingo before the country's name, like ang Canada, ang America, like the.
Yes.
Aking,
okay.
Kama,
so.
But,
okay, you cannot say ako ay mahaba. You can say you can describe an object
like I'm tall.
Yes, ay mataas. Tall is mataas. Ako ay mataas.
Okay. Or,
because when you
say
what
about the hair? Hair.
Mahaba hair. Ang buhok. Ang
hair,
aking buhok ay mahaba.
I have long hair?
Yes, I have. My hair is long.
Long. Okay.
Okay, now let's go with short. Okay, can you think a simple sentence using the word maikli?
Maikli. Ang aking telepono ay mahikli.
Yes, exactly. Very good. It's a complete sentence. Ang aking telepono ay maikli. Okay, ang aking telepono
ay
is
maikli. Mine, right? Aking is mine.
Yes. Okay, just wait.
Okay.
Okay, aking.
It doesn't make sense like the mine. Yeah, it's like.
Okay, so the difference of that in English is I. It means ako, but when you say mine, that is aking.
Okay.
Yes, the exact translation of that words is mine, aking, and I is ako. Get it? Okay, how about this one? Mabilis at mahina. Mabilis at mahina. Okay, that is fast and slow.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Pwede ka bang gumawa? Pwede ka bang gumawa ng pangungusap gamit ang salitang mabilis? Can you make a sentence using the word fast or mabilis? Okay, sentence in Tagalog is pangungusap. Okay, here.
Ang
This is
aking kotse ay mabilis.
ang aking kotse.
Ang aking kotse ay mabilis.
Yes. Very good. That is a complete sentence. The thought there is complete, and you have an object or subject, and you have a supporting details, which is mabilis or fast. Yes. How about slow or
Mahina.
mahina?
Mahina. Ako ang aking bisikleta.
Bisikleta, correct. Yes.
Bisikleta
Bisikleta.
ay mahina.
Okay. Okay. Ang aking bisikleta ay mahina. Very good. You catch up easily the words, and it's very important for you to practice at gumawa ng mga salita. Magaling ka na sa mga vocabulary. So meron ka ng vocabularies. Ang dapat mong gawin ay bumuo ng mga salita at gamitin ito sa pagsasalita. So keep up the good work. That's very good development for you. Okay, next.
Salamat.
Okay, itim at puti. So this is opposite word, itim at puti. Okay, that means black and white.
Okay.
Yes, black and white. Itim at puti.
Okay, black and white.
Okay, pwede ka bang gumawa ng pangungusap gamit ang salitang itim?
Sige. Okay.
Buhok.
No, another one. Ang aking camera ay itim.
Yes. Ang aking. Okay, you can say kulay itim.
Kulay.
Okay, you can say kulay itim. Ang aking camera ay kulay itim. So the color of my camera is black.
Okay, kulay.
Yes. That sounds
kulay is,
for
color. Right? Color. It's different. Kulay.
Okay, very good. Okay, next, how about white or puti?
Ang aking
yes, ang aking.
Silya ay ay kulay silya. Sorry again. Ang aking silya ay kulay puti.
Yes, perfect. Very good. That's a complete thought, or the idea is very complete. Silya is?
Chair.
Yes,
because
exactly.
I'm trying to use which I know already. I don't want to use something else I don't know. There's many options, but my options is very limited in Tagalog so far. So I'm using the vocabularies which I already know.
Yes. Kaya binigyan kita ng pagkakataon na magsalita. I have given you time to speak and to make a sentence, because that's the easiest way for you to expand your skills in speaking. So sa pagsasalita, matuto kang gumawa ng mga pangungusap. By speaking, you can try to make sentences that is very relevant and basic. Okay, here we are. Okay, we have the word araw at gabi. Do you know what is araw at gabi?
Araw day and gabi night.
Yes, perfect. So now you have already know that vocabulary. So try to make it a sentence.
Ako ay klase.
Again?
Araw.
Ako ay may.
Ako ay klase araw.
Okay, so I will make your sentence complete. Just watch or see.
Ako ay may klase ngayon araw.
Yeah, so that sounds correct when you add ngayon. So ngayon is now.
Okay.
Okay. Ako ay may klase.
What's the meaning of my?
I have.
Okay.
My
I was looking
have.
for that word.
Yes. My is have.
Ako ay may klase ngayon araw.
Yeah. So ako ay may klase ngayong araw. I have a class today. So ngayong araw is today. Okay, next. How about gabi?
Gabi, okay. Ako ay may trabaho. Gabi. Ngayong gabi.
Yes, ako ay may trabaho. Yes, perfect. Ako ay may trabaho ngayong gabi. So that sentence is a complete thought or idea. So you can try to, look at the sentences you made and use that anytime. Okay, so next. Okay, how about this one? Okay, mainit at malamig. Mainit at malamig. Okay, so we don't need to translate that because you already know.
Malamig is hot, right?
Mainit is hot.
Sorry. Mainit is hot. And malamig is cold.
Yeah, so can you try to make a sentence throughout that word?
Okay. Ngayong araw ay mainit.
Ngayong araw ay mainit. Perfect. This sentence is complete. So this day is hot. If you are want to say this day is very hot, you can say ngayong araw ay sobrang mainit. Sobra is like very hot.
Okay.
Okay, how about malamig?
Ngayon, gabi ay malamig.
Ngayong gabi ay malamig. Correct. Yes, this sentence is also correct. This day is cold. So that's the very basic sentences that you're trying to say. Okay, how about this one? Lumangoy. Okay, can you try to make a sentence using the word lumangoy?
Lumangoy.
Swimming.
Swimming. Hindi ko alam lumangoy.
Hala ka. So if you need to go here in the Philippines, you need to know how to swim because there are a lot of beaches. Okay.
Opo.
Ako ay yes, your sentence is correct. Ako ay hindi marunong lumangoy. Okay, ako ay hindi marunong lumangoy. Yes, that sentence is correct. I don't know how to swim.
Okay, ako ay hindi.
Yes. Okay, next.
Where's the word alam?
Ako ay hindi marunong lumangoy. Okay, what did you say a while ago?
Ako ay hindi no. I said
alam is
hindi ko alam lumangoy.
Oh, yes, that's also correct. Hindi ko alam. You need to add the word ang.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam ang lumangoy.
Okay. That's swimming, huh?
Yes. You need to practice swimming, but it's okay if you know how the very basic skills in swimming, because not of us are.
No, because which is related to my life, so yeah, that's why it's easy to remember the sentences.
Yes, exactly.
Because it's true. I don't know how to swim, so I made a sentence like immediately.
Okay, how about this one? Okay, naglaba. Washing the clothes. Like for example, your fiancé are washing your clothes together.
Okay. Kami ay naglaba.
Kami ay naglaba. Okay, you can add time, whether yesterday, today, or tomorrow.
Bukas.
Nag is past tense.
Kami ay naglaba. Kahapon.
Yes, it's okay.
Kahapon.
Yes, kahapon. Kahapon is yesterday.
And
tomorrow
is afternoon. Hapon, kahapon.
Yes, magandang hapon is afternoon. Well, kahapon is yesterday.
Yeah, I try to memorize like kahapon. Hapon, kahapon.
Yes, kahapon, ngayon, at bukas. So there is okay, just wait for a moment. Okay, so there is a song, kahapon, ngayon, at bukas. So when you say kahapon, yesterday, today is now. Okay, just wait. Okay, can you make a sentence using the word matalino?
Matalino. Si Joey ay matalino.
Oh, sana all. Okay, just wait.
Salamat.
Okay, you can use that as sentence, so that's correct. So I have changed it to your name instead of mine.
Yeah.
When you move your body.
Yes.
When you move your body. Yes, exactly. That is dancing.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Gusto ang sumayaw.
Gusto kong sumayaw. Okay, you can. Okay, you cannot say gusto ang sumayaw. So you cannot say that. You can say gusto kong sumayaw or gusto ko.
I like to dance. Right?
Yes, you can also make a sentence like this. Gusto ko ang sumayaw. Because when you say kung, that means ku ang. So the kung is the shortened word for ku and ang.
Okay. Like
got it?
Like anong pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan mo, right?
Yeah, so there is a shorter way or a short way for you to make a sentence, and there is also a long way or having no shortcuts in making sentences. Just like this one, I will try to. Okay, just like suma. Isa. Okay, just like when you say isa't kalahati. Okay. Okay, can you read? Isa't kalahati.
Isa't kalahati.
Yes, that is 1/2. So the true word for that is isa at. Okay.
1 and kalahati.
Just wait, Okay, isa at kalahati. So that is a shortened way for you to make sentence. Isa't kalahati. Isa at kalahati.
Sounds like in my language, black elephant.
Oh, yes. So in Tagalog, kalahati is half. So when you say isa't kalahati, that means 1/2.
1/2.
Okay. So next word is, can you make a sentence using the word natapos?
Natapos. Tapos is, by the way, right? Natapos. Tapos.
That means finished.
Finish. Okay. Alas 11 y
yes,
30
alas
minutos.
11.
30 minutos. Kami
okay, you can
natapos.
you can just use alas 11 instead of 20 minutos. Okay, alas 11. Okay, continue.
Alas 11, kami ay klase natapos.
Alas 11 ng umaga or ng gabi?
Umaga.
Okay, ng umaga natapos. Okay, can you read? This is the correct sentence.
Okay. Alas 11 ang umaga natapos ang aking klase. Okay.
Yeah, so that sounds complete sentence, or the thought there is complete.
You know this
okay,
alas
how about
in Spanish? Because it's separate. Because if you tag it together like that, alas means wings in Spanish.
Oh, yes. But in the Philippines, that is
That's natural,
the way. Yes, that's
as
way
I told
how
you before,
you
like ano is a bad word in in Spanish, but in Tagalog it's fresh. Ano.
Yes, what in Tagalog?
I just told my friend about that. He was confused because when he saw that word ano in our video, he was confused.
In our thumbnail. in our thumbnail.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why I use that words in our thumbnail to make more curiosity. So they will curious why they need to watch that video, why they use ano. Yes. Okay, how about this one? Umakyat.
Hindi ko alam.
Okay, climbing.
Climbing. Oh, okay. Climbing.
Ang unggoy. Do you know what is unggoy? Monkey. Unggoy is monkey. So I will teach you the Tagalog words for monkey. Unggoy.
Unggoy
okay.
ay
You can use unggoy in a sentence.
Pwede umakay?
Umakyat.
Umakyat. Unggoy ay
umakyat sa, what is tree?
Tree, arbol?
Puno.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the monkey is climbing in the tree. Okay, got it? Okay, next. Naglalakad. Do you know what is naglalakad?
Naglalakad? No?
Walking.
Walking.
Okay. Can you make a sentence using the word naglalakad?
Pwede. Ako ay pwede naglalakad?
Ako ay pwedeng maglalakad.
Umaga?
Yes. Okay. Ako ay pwedeng maglalakad sa umaga.
Sa umaga. Okay.
Yes. I can walk in the morning. Okay, next. How about this one? Okay, can you make a sentence using the word nagluto? Did you remember this word?
Cooking. Nagluto. Hindi ko alam nagluto.
Okay, so ako ay nagluluto ng pagkain. I am cooking food. Pagkain is food.
Pagkain. Ako ay nagluto ang pagkain.
Okay. Can you say it again? Ako
Ako ay
nagluluto.
nagluluto ang pagkain. Ako ay
Yes, I am
nagluluto ang
cooking.
pagkain.
Nang. Say nang.
Nang.
Okay,
Nang.
next. How about this one? Okay, do you know what is umiinom?
Hindi ko alam.
Drinking.
Okay.
Drinking.
And borrow.
Okay, do you know what is can in Tagalog? That is lata.
Lata. Okay.
Okay, next. How about the word? Okay, can you make a sentence using the word liwanag?
Liwanag?
Yes. Do you know what is liwanag?
Hindi ko alam.
That means light.
Okay. Ako ay may isang liwanag.
May isang.
May isang liwanag.
Okay. So the sentence there is, you know, you cannot say just like that. Okay, you can interpret this one. Okay, can you read?
Ang aming bahay ay may liwanag.
Yes, because you cannot say ako ay may liwanag because you own only the liwanag. So it's just like you are describing in your body. But if you say aming, so we are just putting in our house to make a light, right? Yeah, you got the point?
The house. Yeah. What's the meaning of aming?
Aming is mine.
Aming. Aking. And
Aking is aking is also mine, but aking is for singular and aming is for plural. Aking is singular, aming is plural. So when you say aming, you have a lot there. So two or more people. So that is also mine, but it's described as plural form of mine in Tagalog.
Okay.
So that's why when
tatlong telepono?
Yes. Ang aming tatlong telepono ay bago.
Bago?
Bago is new.
Okay.
Yes. Our 3 telephones are new.
Okay, bago.
Yes. Okay, next. How about this word? Okay, nag-aaway. Okay, nag-aaway.
Nag-aaway? Hindi ko alam.
Okay, nag-aaway. Fighting. That means fighting.
Okay. Nag-aaway. Kami ay nag-aaway.
Yes.
Kahapon?
Nag-aaway. Okay, kami ay nag-aaway kahapon. Sino ang kaaway mo kahapon?
Isang lalaki?
Oh yes, very good. So you know already how to answer a question from Tagalog. So that's very good conversation. When I say sino ang kaaway mo kahapon, so you answered isang lalaki. That's good. Okay. Okay. Last word before we end our lesson. Okay. So we have here malawak. Okay. Say malawak.
Malawak.
That means wide.
Okay.
Malawak ang
ako ay malawak.
Again, ako ay
sala.
ang aming
ang aming sala sala ay malawak. Ang aming sala ay malawak.
Yes, that's it. Ang aming sala ay malawak. So that is correct. So okay. So I think that would be for now. So we can have a conversation in Skype. See you again next time.
Okay.
Okay, salamat po. Goodbye.
Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli.
Goodbye.
Paalam. Ingat.
Ingat.